Have you ever wondered how a digital currency could revolutionize the way we think about money and investing? Let's explore the fascinating world of cryptocurrency and its potential to reshape our financial future. The blockchain, the underlying technology of most cryptocurrencies, is a distributed ledger that maintains a continuously growing list of records called blocks. Each block contains a cryptographic hash of the previous block, a timestamp, and transaction data. This structure creates a chain of blocks that's inherently resistant to modification. Once recorded, the data in any given block cannot be altered retroactively without altering all subsequent blocks, which requires consensus of the network majority. Cryptocurrencies use various consensus mechanisms to validate new transactions. Bitcoin, for example, uses a proof-of-work (POW) system, where miners compete to solve complex mathematical problems to add new blocks to the chain. Ethereum, on the other hand, is transitioning to a proof-of-stake (POW) system, which is more energy efficient. In POW, validators are chosen to create new blocks based on the amount of cryptocurrency they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. The decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies is achieved through a network of nodes. Each node maintains a copy of the blockchain and participates in the validation of transactions, ensuring no single point of failure or control. Cryptocurrencies use public key cryptography for transaction security. Each user has a public key, like an account number, and a private key, like a password. The public key is used to receive funds, while the private key is used to sign transactions, proving ownership of the funds. Smart contracts, particularly prominent in platforms like Ethereum, are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. They automatically execute when predetermined conditions are met, enabling complex, trustless transactions without intermediaries. The scalability of blockchain networks remains a significant technical challenge. Solutions like sharding, where the network is split into smaller, more manageable pieces, and Layer 2 solutions that process transactions off the main chain, are being developed to address this issue. As the cryptocurrency ecosystem evolves, interoperability between different blockchain networks is becoming increasingly important. Projects are working on creating bridges and standards to allow seamless communication and value transfer between disparate blockchain systems. Cryptocurrency revolutionizing digital finance. Let's dive deeper into the technical aspects of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. At its core, cryptocurrency relies on complex cryptographic algorithms to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. Second, blockchain is a distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers, making it highly secure and resistant to tampering. This technology has potential applications beyond just finance. Lastly, while cryptocurrency offers exciting investment opportunities, it's important to understand the risks involved, including market volatility and security concerns. Always do thorough research and invest responsibly. Let's recap the key points about cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. First, cryptocurrencies are decentralized digital currencies that operate on blockchain technology, offering secure and transparent transactions without intermediaries. Thank you for watching our in-depth exploration of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the future of digital finance.